Stop that! Stop! Can you fucking stand up? I said she stand up.
So this guy wanted to prove to his girlfriend that, ladies, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You know, you are my sugar king, you are my everything. So he decided to propose to the lady in the public. So whilst they got to the market, this guy knelt down and decided to do his thing. But looking at what the lady was saying, you know, the lady said, hey, bro, why should you be proposing to me in this kind of environment? Whilst your colleagues are proposing to their girlfriends in the big hotels and big restaurants, you decide to propose to me in the market. So the girl bore. The girl was very, very embarrassed. So she turned down the proposal. They're serious. They're serious. So what's your take on this particular issue? Should guys be proposing to ladies in big expensive places, or it should be normal that if you love your lady you can propose to her anywhere you want? So let me know your comment about this video. But without wasting much of your time, let's watch the full clip. Thank you.
Mad? Why in the market? Why would you embarrass me like this? What's this supposed to be? Stand up right now. What do you want? Stop now, you're embarrassing me. Why are you doing this to me? Stop that! Stop! Can you fucking stand up? I said she stand up. Fucking stand up, don't get me upset at least. Why would you do this in the market? No. Why would you want to engage me in the market? What's that supposed to mean? No, do this nonsense to me now. I don't get it. Why market are you? Wow. Are you stupid? What nonsense is this? Look, your mates, they propose to people for